Everybody, how are you doing? My name's Chris Jones. I know many of you have been working in the DAC field for a number of years, 18 years in the field, starting in 2008, 2009. But my startup is new. I've been working in amine sorbents for the duration of that period in my job at Georgia Tech in Atlanta. And then in 2023, I saw the opportunity to start my own company, leveraging the learning that I gained working in DAC for the last 15 to 20 years. With my partner, Mark Davis, it's his sixth startup. His most successful startup is now on NASDAQ, trading under the ticker RNA. And together, we're combining his entrepreneurial experience as well as my DAC experience to create ZeoDAC. So we were seed funded in 2023, 2024, and we're preparing for a raise late in 2025 for our next round of development. We're based in Atlanta, Georgia, and our business model is the model of a technology provider, right? So we're not going to be developing our own sites ourselves, but rather hopefully partnering with many of you in the room to deploy our technology at some of your sites. Our current development goal is to have our first demo unit operating early in 2026. We're doing the design of it right now, and we have two smaller scale units operating in the laboratories in Atlanta, Georgia. Next slide, please. So we differentiate from the work that I've done in the past on amine sorbents in that we are a zeolite-based DAC company. And so one of the advantages of the zeolite-based technology is essentially every component of the supply chain exists, and it exists on a large commercial scale already. So a lot of my past experience working on DAC development has been trying to work towards building the supply chains that are necessary to provide the sorbents that everybody wants to use. In contrast, if you wanted to buy ton-scale zeolite that we use today, you could do that on any continent on Earth. So we're a solid sorbent-based technology, but because we're working with zeolites, we're focusing on particular climates, right? So we're not going to deploy in New Orleans, Louisiana. We're not going to deploy in Houston, Texas, because we have to remove the water first. So our approach is a two-stage DAC technology, removing water and producing water as a co-product, and then removing the CO2. Working in a very humid climate, that would give us massive water removal costs. But in a cool or a warm and dry climate, we have very advantaged economics along with very stable materials that are going to last on the order of 5 to 10 years. So that's what ZeoDAC is all about. If you have any interests, I'd be happy to chat with you in the rest of the afternoon. Unfortunately, I will not be here tomorrow, but I'm easy to find on the web if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to talk with you.